Our Feastables chocolate and cookies just launched in every single Walmart across America. And to celebrate, I'm gonna have Nolan do a taste test to show you guys how good they are.
This is our new Feastables milk chocolate bar.
Oh man.
You like it or are you an idiot?
No, I'm not an idiot. It's
Ding, ding, ding.
10 out of 10.
You want to try the new milk chocolate bar? Yeah, give it a bite and tell me what you think. It's London approved? Hey, we're 2 for 2.
Yeah. I feel a little bit of salt, you know what I'm saying? This is the one too. Like honestly, I need both of these.
There's a lot riding on this. You like it? Yeah!
We didn't announce we would be doing this, but tons of people wanted to try our Feastable chocolate bars.
So we have yes, 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 yes. That's 4 yeses.
Yes.
We're 25 for 25. Chocolate fist bump.
I honestly think it's really good. I like the saltiness. I thought it was like more dark chocolate to it, but it's really good.
10 out of 10, go buy it.
Before we do a Feastables versus Hershey's taste test, make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'll be giving some of you $10,000.
This is the real test. Feastables or are you stupid? I'm gonna have you try both these chocolate bars.
I like it. I like the live.
That's good.
This one has a lot more flavor, I think. And the Hershey's one, it feels so plain. I like the Feastables one a lot more.
David, I knew you were smart. Are you a chocolate connoisseur?
I am, even though I'm lactose intolerant.
Just so you know, Feastables chocolate is lactose free, except obviously for the milk chocolate bar.
I want you to let me know which one you think is better.
It's not bad.
Makes sense.
This is so good.
I like her.
Hey, how you doing today?
Good, how about you?
We'll do that. Whoop,
Well, we missed high five. There we go. That's better connection.
Yeah. Let me give this a try. Yo, it's like that. Real quick, you got any milk? Cause
I wish I had milk right now.
no,
Nah?
this is better.
Nobody likes the Hershey's, so we don't need those anymore. Yeah, crap.
The taste test was going very well and everyone seemed to be enjoying our Feastables chocolate. But then this happened.
Hey man,
What are you thinking?
y'all got some mint?
Mint?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't have. You seem really disappointed that there's no mint chocolate.
Ain't no mint, but you know.
I mean, this isn't a dairy.
To keep things 100% honest, next we did a fully blind taste test.
Am I being interrogated?
Are you okay with this?
Yeah, I'm totally fine with it.
You're blindfolded. We have a Hershey's chocolate bar and a Feastables bar. You're gonna see which one's better. Woo! All right, chew that, munch on it. You like it?
That's pretty scrumptious.
All right, you ready?
I don't know, it might be less scrumptious. The first one was more scrumptious.
The first bar that you liked more was Feastables. Yo, Frank, I want you to try it. You're chewing so slowly.
It's actually really good.
Frank, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, but you are stupid, right? Wait. You do like it though? Maybe I'll put one in both category.
Oh yeah.
How much would it cost, like one of your milk chocolate bars?
Hey, come here, bud. There you go, come on, it's all yours.
Hey, Nolan. Thanks, bud.
Nice to meet you, bud.
This is now available in every single Walmart across America. They have our milk chocolate bar, our original bar, our sea salt bar, and these Walmart exclusive cookies that you can't buy anywhere else. And I'm gonna be giving away $10,000 to random people that take a picture of their Walmart receipt and text it to the number 69420. Go buy Feastables at your local Walmart right now. I love you guys.